Good evening. The subject is power plant engineering. The subject code is ME8792. I'm Dr. M.EZHILAN, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today now we are going to see the pressurized water reactor. The arrangement of the pressurized water reactor is shown in the figure. In its simplest form, the pressurized water reactor is a light water cooled and moderated reactor. It uses enriched uranium as fuel. The pressurizing tank included in the circuit maintains the constant pressure in the circuit throughout the load range. Electric heating coil in the pressurized boils the water to form the steam which is collected in the dome, showing figure, and pressurize the entire coolant circuit before starting reactor. How to reduce the pressure? Water spray is used to condensate the system. The fuel which is generally used is uranium oxide. The uranium oxide is highly resistant to irradiation damage and is very well adapted to the high burn. It is also highly resistant to corrosion by high pressure water in the event of breakup in the fuel cladding. The water in the primary circuit gets heated by absorbing the fission energy in the reactor core, and same energy is given in the heat exchanger to generate the steam. The water coming out from the heat exchanger is circulated by the pump to maintain the pressure in the circuit in the range of 100 to 130 bar. The water becomes radioactive in passing through the reactor. Therefore, the entire primary circuit, including steam generator, must be shielded to protect the operating portions. The radioactive coolant does not make the steam radioactive in the boiler. Some of the advantage of the reactor. The water which is used as coolant, moderator, and reflector is cheap in first cost and available in the plenty. The reactor is compact and higher power density is the most distinguished features of modern pressurized water reactor core. Fuel loading of 190 tons can be made in modern pressurized water reactor. The desirable characteristics of modern pressurized water reactor are requirement of small number of control rods. The reactivity changes associated with fuel depletion and formation of fission products and the compensation by neutrons absorbed, and hardly less than 60 control rods are required to 1000 millivolt plant of this type. Thermal efficiency of pressurized water plant is more than 30% of pressurized water plant. The metal temperatures remain slow for the given output condition. Next, pressurized water reactor. Pressurized water reactor. Here it's having boiling water reactor and gas cooled reactor. Next, pressurized water reactor. Working of pressurized water reactor. A pressurized water reactor is a light water cooled and moderated reactor having an usual core design using both natural and highly enriched fuel. The coolant in the primary circuit pumped to the reactor core. The coolant absorbs heat energy. It is liberated during fission in the reactor core. The entire primary circuit, including heat exchanger, must be shielded to protect the operating personnel. The steam in the turbine is not radioactive and need not be shielded. The pressure in the primary circuit should be high so that the boiling of water takes place at high pressure. A pressurized water reactor produces only saturated steam. If there is a need of superheated steam, separate furnace should be provided. Advantage of pressurized water reactor: water which is cheaply available in plenty is used for coolant, moderator, and reflector. The reactor is compact and high power density, 65 kilonewton per liter. Easily available natural uranium is used as fuel. Steam is not contaminated by radiation. Hence, maintenance of turbine, feed heaters, and condenser is normal. These all are the references. Thank you.